So the first two products we're going to start out with is our brick ledge flashing as well as our drip cap. So the brick ledge flashing, we've got this installed in a couple of different spots on the display. So we're using it down here where the siding is kept an inch off of the flooring material. So that's one of the requirements, is we need to keep our siding an inch up off of that hard surface. So a deck, a concrete patio, maybe a driveway, things like that. So that flashes our wall and also helps keep us up away from the ground by 1 inch. The other place that we're using the brick ledge flashing is, of course, above a stone or brick ledge. So the product is designed with a 10-degree pitch to help keep that water shed away from our wall system. One of the other requirements as we do that with our siding is we need to keep our siding 3/8 of an inch off of that flashing. So you can see that gap right here. The other product that we've got is our drip cap flashing. So our drip cap flashing is designed to be used over all of our different 1-inch trim projections. So the 1-inch flashing goes over top of our 1-inch trim very easily. It's pre-colored and pre-bent for all of our different Diamond Kote colors. So really quick and easy to use on the job site, and simply flashes that with a nice, very small reveal on that. Again, we're keeping our siding materials 3/8 of an inch off of that flashing as well. Roof-to-wall areas are one of the most difficult places to detail as we're siding a house, whether it's a new construction or a reside. From a remodel standpoint, a roof-to-wall area is where I honestly see a lot of water trouble areas that we need to fix when we're doing our residing. And we're going to show you a couple products that really are going to make that job easier, and it's going to make sure that we don't have water penetration issues into our wall system. The first one of those is going to be our Dryfleckt kickout flashing. This is code required as well as approved by all the different siding manufacturers. So the Dryfleckt kickout flashing installs where the end of the roofing meets that wall system, and it's going to help make sure that any water running down our roof is going to kick out and divert away from our wall, keeping our wall and our siding dry. The other thing that we're showing here is our spacer flashing. So our spacer flashing is a pre-bent, pre-colored aluminum flashing, and what it's designed to do is not actually flash the roofing material itself. You can see we still have our galvanized step flashing shingles from the roofing installer. That's still going to be in there. What the spacer flashing does is it's basically going to allow our color to go all the way down to our roofing material, so it's an aesthetic factor. Again, you can see how easy it is to bring our siding material. So we've got our rigid stack siding. We're going to paint and we're going to seal this cut edge. We're going to simply stack that on there and slide it over. We're going to maintain our 3/8 of an inch clearance between the siding and our flashing material. And we've also now got our coloration to the roof with our spacer flashing. And we've protected our siding by keeping our siding material a minimum of 1 inch clearance off of that roofing material.